U.S. Navy and Air Force launch explosive midnight strike. Cartel's floating fortress obliterated at 2 o'clock a.m. Under a moonless Caribbean sky, a colossal shadow carved through the waves in 110-meter-long, 7,200-ton cargo ship unlike anything the U.S. military had ever faced. This was no ordinary freighter. Intelligence confirmed it belonged to the notorious Tren de Aragua cartel, a violent transnational syndicate expanding its empire across the Americas. Packed deep within its armored hull were 300 tons of volatile drug precursor chemicals, 13,000 crates of laundered cash, and most horrifying of all, 40 innocent hostages, chained and guarded like expendable cargo. Analysts warned Washington that this was not merely a smuggling mission, but a floating fortress, a mobile bomb of blood and money capable of destabilizing entire regions if it reached its secret destination. Inside the Pentagon, a midnight war council weighed the impossible. How do you neutralize a steel leviathan without igniting the chemical payload and killing every hostage aboard? The decision came swiftly but carried a razor's edge of risk. A joint operation between the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Air Force, blending cutting-edge drone surveillance, stealth aircraft, and precision naval firepower. At 1:47 a.m., Navy SEAL reconnaissance teams confirmed the ship's course and the exact locations of the hostages through encrypted thermal scans. At 1:55, Beta Spirit stealth bombers rose silently from a remote base, each armed with next-generation bunker-buster ordnance. And at 2 o'clock, the countdown began. The first move was not fire, but deception. Navy electronic warfare specialists unleashed a blinding wave of cyberjamming, cutting the cartel's communications and freezing their radar in total darkness. Then came the strike that stunned the world. With every hostage evacuated and the cartel command neutralized, the Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyers locked their Aegis systems on the ship's reinforced cargo bays. 2 precision-guided Tomahawk missiles streaked across the black water, each impact followed by a controlled chain of internal detonations engineered to sink the vessel without igniting its chemical payload. From the first jamming signal to the final explosion, only 29 minutes passed. By 2:29 a.m., what had once been a symbol of cartel power was nothing more than a smoldering scar on the ocean surface. Officials call it a tactical masterpiece. Witnesses call it something else entirely, a chilling demonstration of absolute American precision, where satellites, stealth bombers, and special forces converged to erase a floating empire in less time than it takes to watch a single TV episode. For the Tren de Aragua cartel, the message was unmistakable. For the world, the night of the floating fortress will be remembered as proof that when Washington draws a line in the sea, nothing, no ship, no cartel, no fortress can escape the reach of U.S. power.